In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in DocHub. We'll go through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to DocHub, you'll be able to follow along easily. The goal here is to remove the background color from a text box or annotation so the text underneath becomes visible and the document looks cleaner. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the website. Make sure you're selecting the official site so you can access the proper editing tools without confusion. When the site loads, sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your documents or editor. If not, just complete the sign-in process and open the document you want to work on. It helps to have the file ready in advance so you can jump right into editing. Once your document is open, go to the far left toolbar and click the standard pointer tool, which is the arrow icon. This is the basic selection tool, and you'll need it in order to choose the object you want to edit. If another tool is active, you may not be able to access the correct formatting options, so this step is important. Next, click directly on the text box or annotation that you want to fix. When it's selected properly, it should become highlighted, showing that DocHub recognizes it as the active element. Be sure to click on the actual box with the background, not just nearby text, because the formatting controls only appear when the correct object is selected. After that, look at the formatting toolbar that appears directly above the text box. This floating toolbar contains the styling options for the selected item, including text settings, colors, and other visual adjustments. Take a quick moment to identify the background color control before moving on. Now, click the background color icon. Depending on the interface, this may look like a paint bucket or a solid square. This opens the color palette for the selected annotation or text box background. From the palette, choose No Color, which is usually shown as a transparent checkered circle near the bottom. As soon as you select it, the background color will disappear instantly. That means the box becomes transparent, allowing the text underneath to show through clearly. And that's it. You've successfully removed a background in DocHub. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other text boxes or annotations in the document to keep everything consistent and easy to read.